Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Radico Khaitan. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Radico with a revised price target of Rs 2,996. P&A category to post over 15% volume growth in FY25, driven by focus on premiumization, while regular category is expected to deliver mid-single-digit volume growth. Premiumization and cost optimization to aid 125 to 150 bips annual operating profit margin improvement over the next 2 to 3 years. It targets late teens operating profit margin in 3 years. With strategies in place, we expect Radico's revenues and PAT to post an 18% and 39% CAGR respectively over FY24 to 27. Strong earnings growth and reduction in debt will boost return profile in the coming years. Stock trades at 64 times FY26 and 51 times FY27 earnings respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.